Sagittarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At itinan natin ang energies na parating sa inyong kaperahan, money, career, finances ngayong 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Ayan, and please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video, and comment na rin kayo kung kayo naka-resonate. Okay, Sag, let us see 2025 kaperahan for Sagittarius. Glamour. Wow. So, meron kayong i-improve sa inyong sarili, no? This might also attract new opportunities. Let's say, mas mag-aayos kayo, no? Mas aayusin yung pananamit ninyo. Mas bongga. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng, dati hindi kayo mahilig mag-makeup. So, ngayong 2025, mas mag-aaral kayo paano mas mapaayos ang inyong physical looks, no? Pwede rin meron kayong mga changes na gagawin sa inyong looks. So, you are also, yung iba, makakatulong yung yung affirmations, no? Lalo na't ginagawa nyo yan sa harapan ng salamin. That I am abundant, I am beautiful, I am talented, yung mga ganon, I am creative, ganyan. So that will really attract good energies for you. Oh, speaking of energy, yes, you have a lot of energy ngayong 2025 to make things happen. So when it comes to your health, maganda ang kalusugan ninyo. Marami kayong kayang gawin. You are also inspired, energetic to do the things na mga kailangan mong ma-accomplish. Psychic protection. Oh, you also need to protect your energies, Sagittarius. Alam mo naman ngayon, no? Ang bilis na lang na kainggitan ng isang tao, lalo na yung mga nagpo-post sa social media. So, it is better for you na protected ang energy mo. Kapag meron ka nakikita na or nararamdaman sa paligid mo na parang off yung kanyang energy, iwasan mo na siya. Kasi pwedeng madala mo rin yan, yung energy niya. Lalo na limbawa sa mga magkakaibigan, meron kang, or sa katrabaho, meron kang katrabaho na mahilig mag-chismis, 'di ba? So, ang ganong energy na ganon, kasi hindi mo alam, ikaw rin chinichismis na rin niya sa iba. Okay, so protect your energies. Let's see what else, Sag. Kaperahan, the Hanged Man. Parang meron kang pinag-aaralan dito. Reassessment kasi ang Hanged Man. Kung sisimulan mo na, may nag-open na possibilities dito eh. So, you are opening up a new possibility in your career, in your finances. Let's see what else. You have the 5 of Cups, the Wheel of Fortune. Alam nyo, kayo ay magmo-move on na. Sag. Kasi parang yung iba sa inyo meron kayong bad decisions pagdating sa pera or bad decisions pagdating sa trabaho nyo or business na natutunan mo na yung lesson na yon and now you are moving forward. You have the 10 of Wands, the 2 of Swords. So, ngayong 2025 para sa'yo, Sag, marami kang trabahong kailangan gawin. Maaring maraming responsibility sa'yo. Let's say it's a responsibility sa trabaho or sa family mo na magli-lead sa'yo in making a major decision in your life. Kung sapat na ba or kontento ka na ba sa sitwasyon mo. Kasi it seems na meron ditong mga opportunity na nag-open sa'yo and iniisip mo kung i-consider mo yon. Kasi yung opportunity lang naman yan eh. Hanggat wala kang ginagawang action, andyan lang siya. Hindi mo siya makukuha kasi wala ka pang ginagawang action. So, I think yan yung major decision na gagawin nyo. Lalo na kung medyo nakakapagod na or stressful na yung situation nyo sa career ninyo or sa business ninyo. I see a change of direction. Oo, Sagittarius. Pagdating sa career, business ninyo. Kumbaga, i-apply nyo yung natutunan nyo sa inyong mga mistakes in the past. Mm, na iibahin nyo ang inyong direction. You also have flamingos, soulmate ito or long-term commitment. So, pwedeng iba sa inyo, you are going to enter a long-term commitment sa career, sa business, bagong kontrata. This can also mean business partnership. Okay? You have intuition. So, ito yung kailangan ninyo. Itong intuition na to will help you choose the best possible decision. Magiging clear para sa'yo yung gusto mo. Ayan. And finally, you will experience satisfaction. Yes. You will, maaring may mga bagong experiences ka ngayong 2025 na mag-i-inspire sa'yo na pagbutihin pa. Let's say, for example, nakapunta ka sa isang fine dining restaurant or isang magandang place, shala, na hindi mo pa napuntahan before. And nung nakikita mo yung na-experience mo na yan, mas na ano ka, na-inspire ka na, wow, gusto ko ulit mangyari to, gusto ko ulit ma-experience to. And alam mo na kailangan mong paunlarin yung sarili mo para ma-experience mo yon anytime you want. Okay? You have energy ng child. So, this is someone na very creative. So, maaring you are tapping into your creative energies. You are exploring. You also have deeper meaning, ayan, hidden emotions, true feelings. I think, no, ngayong 2025, magiging totoo ka sa sarili mo kung ano talaga yung gusto mo for your career, for your business. Regardless kung merong hindi sang-ayon sa mga plano mo. Oo, kasi yung iba, 'di ba? Kaya nandyan kayo sa career na yan, sa business na yan, kasi may ibang taong gusto yan para sa inyo. But, I think, this time, ikaw na yung masusunod. Kung saan mo gustong direksyon dalhin yung buhay mo, yung career mo, dahil dun ka mas nagiging masaya. The time is right. Oh my God. To release old patterns and energies. You are ready to embrace change. Oh, 'di ba, Sag? Ready ka na to embrace change, to new beginnings. Prosperity is flowing. Have faith that you will receive it in the perfect form. Whatever you deserve, you will receive it. As long as naniniwala ka na marireceive mo yon. And, 'di ba, may prosperity flowing to you. Reevaluate your priorities. It's time to let go of what you no longer needed. Oh, 'di ba? Meron ditong pagre-release eh. It's time to let go. It's time to release old patterns. 'Di ba? What you no longer need. So, yan yung i-reassess mo ngayong 2025. That's why, itong Hanged Man, like what I mentioned kanina, it's about reassessing the situation. Kasi, tinitingnan mo ngayon kung ano yung pagbabago na pwede mong gawin sa career mo, sa business mo, sa finances mo. Pwede rin kasi itong financial decisions. Kung dati, hindi ka mahilig mag-save ng pera, so ngayon, maaring ngayong 2025, mas magfo-focus ka, mas magiging seryoso ka na sa pag-save ng pera kasi alam mo na maganda yung magiging epekto nun sa'yo. Be careful in making decisions with your finances. Ipa-prioritize mo yung kailangan mo lang. Yung iba sa inyo, may mga tutulungan rin kayo. Sabi nga, sharing is caring. You're also giving back to others. Kung ano yung binibigay mo sa iba, yun din yung marireceive mo in tenfolds. You're also getting the support that you need for your career, for your business. And then, yes, you are divinely guided, Sagittarius. Whatever direction iti-take mo ngayong 2025 in your career, in your finances, ito ay talagang may divine direction. Talagang sinasabi na, oh, you have to go to this career path or to this business because mas dun mo magagamit yung gifts mo, yung talents na binigay sa'yo ni God. Trust your faith. Dive into the unfolding journey. Wow. What is your faith asking of you? Ayun. Meron talagang bagong journey for you na mag-unfold sa inyong career, sa business ninyo, sa finances ninyo ngayong 2025. And trust yourself, no? Trust your faith. Trust your faith. Have faith in yourself. Kasi yan yung magiging guide ninyo to a new you, a new experience. Okay? So that is your reading, Sagittarius. Thank you so much. And also, good luck sa 2025. See you again.